Welcome. I bought a thing. I've been buying Lidl Parkside tools for some time now, and namely these 20-volt battery tools. I've got loads of them, drills, all sorts, and they're pretty good. They're pretty good for the money. I mean, they're not. I mean, they're no Makita, but they're pretty good. Just spotted this. Thought I'd have a go with it because I need a chop saw. So let's take it out of the box. Okay. I've cut it. Not cut it. I have to cut it. There we go. Right, what have we got? Okay. That looks quite substantial. So, let's give you these big boxes with these, which I immediately throw away. Okay, let's dump that, stick that there. Okay, interesting. We got bearings. Let's put a battery in it and see what it does. Okay. Okay. Should we cut something? No! Right. Thank you for joining me at the Vice. What should we cut first? Let's try some wood. Some ply. Okay. Well, that was pretty good. Not a bad cut as well. Okay, what next? What's this? Aluminium. Let's try aluminium. Okay. I think I'm against the try that again. Okay, it's not going to win any awards for speed. Ow, that's hot. Nice. What's that? Brass. Let's try some brass then. Alright, that was good. What else have I got? I got any steel? I had some steel. Where's it gone? Okay, can't find any steel. But it seemed to cut aluminium and brass quite happily. Probably needs a better blade. Get a bimetal one of some description, like I've got on the big bandsaw, but that's not bad for 50 quid. Okay. There we go. The Parkside portable battery bandsaw. See you next time.